got this. Ow!
Always Alyssa.
Hey guys, welcome to Always Alyssa. Today I'm here with my little baby sister, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Good morning. You look so cute today. And I think I'm gonna do a video with her because my dad planned it and I don't actually know what it's gonna be about. I'm hoping the video has something to do with Chloe because she's super adorable.
It does have to do with Chloe.
It does?
Yeah, but it also has to do with your brother David.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. All three of us in one video. What could it be?
Let's head upstairs to find out what the challenge is.
Okay, let's go. Whoa! Wait up for me. Ooh, what are we gonna do?
Go ahead and take a seat on the couch.
Okay.
This is interesting.
Yeah. Well, since this video has to do with my two sisters, I think I'm gonna fit it a little bit. I should put on some sort of wig.
Oh.
So, let's see.
Huh. Well, now you look like an angry old grandma.
Can I borrow your brush?
No.
Okay. It's just a little bit. I have some bad head this morning. Don't mind.
Could be wrong, but I don't think that's gonna help you with the challenge.
You sure about that?
Yeah, and you
Watch
have a
me
deep
win.
voice for a grandma.
I know.
I thought Chloe was gonna be part of the challenge, but apparently not because I'm stuck with him up here.
And my awesome wig.
Yeah, I definitely feel stuck all right. Let's just get on with the challenge.
Okay.
Well, you're in luck, Alyssa, because the challenge does have to do with Chloe. She's
Oh, it
just
does?
not going to be up here.
Oh,
Or
okay.
maybe I will bring her up here for the winner. We'll see.
Ooh.
So here's how the challenge is going to work. I'm going to ask you guys a question, and whoever answers first with the right answer gets a point.
Ooh, I like this.
And at the end of the questions, whoever has the most points wins.
That's an interesting hairstyle.
Hey, because I've been practicing every day. What if we both get the right answer at the same time?
Then you'll both get a point.
Okay. I'm just gonna try to copy you then.
Whatever.
So we'll tie at the end.
Before the first question, we're going to get you guys warmed up with a couple easy questions.
Ooh.
What's the first letter of Chloe's name?
See.
What's the last letter of Chloe's name?
E.
Ooh, a tie. You guys ready?
Yep.
The first question is, what was Chloe's birth weight?
6'10"?
Good, but tell me the pounds and ounces.
Oh, 6 pounds 10 ounces?
That's correct.
Yes.
Wow, I have no idea. That would have taken me all day to figure that out. I thought she was like 20 pounds when she was born. Ow.
Come on.
Question number 2. Approximately how many weeks old was Chloe when she was born?
You mean like early?
How many weeks old was she? How long has she been inside before she's born?
Oh.
32? 34?
37.
Well, neither of you got the correct answer on that, so nobody's going to get a point.
Oh, dang it.
The correct answer was 34 or 35 weeks.
Oh,
It's
I
closer
was
to
I
35.
kind of remember that. I guess 37.
Question number 3.
Wait, you have a receding hairline on half your head.
Thanks. Yeah.
You're starting to look like Daddy a little.
Oh. You definitely don't want that.
What are you talking about? Question number 4.
I think you're filming the wrong way.
Oh,
Not
oops. Question number 4.
Aren't we on question number 3?
Oh, yeah. Question number 3. What brand of formula does Chloe drink?
Oh, Similac, Neosure,
Wow.
right?
Delta Milk? Oh. She only knows the brand because she's made a few bottles for Chloe.
Or because I'm just observant and smart.
No, that's not why.
Whatever.
Question number 4. What does Chloe sleep in at night?
Bed?
Bassinet?
Ding, ding, ding.
Yes!
You know all this
A
stuff.
bed?
It is a bed, technically, right?
No, this is a bed.
It's just
this
a bed
is
for a baby.
David, you're going to have to step up your game a little bit.
I know. I should go talk to Chloe for some advice.
Yeah. Okay, next
Question number 5. How many ounces does Chloe drink each time?
4,
2.
Oh, so close.
3,
Alyssa
2 and a
got it.
half.
It's 2.
Yes.
Dang. She will be drinking 4 when she's older.
Question number 6. How often does Chloe eat during the day?
3 times.
I
Three
would say
times?
like
Yeah.
5 times a day, 6.
Every blank hours.
Oh,
3.
every 2.
Yay! David
Oh.
finally got a point.
Yes! Let's go!
I'm literally winning by like 5 points still.
Hey, I'm gonna catch up.
So the score is now 4-1. I feel some momentum coming for David. Question number 7. What's the first milestone Chloe should reach?
Smiling?
David, do you have an answer?
Crawling?
No. Smiling, that's it, Alyssa.
Oh, my.
Smiling or tracking things with her
Wow.
eyes. Either one of those would have been acceptable answers. I just wanted to hear what David would say.
Yeah.
Babies don't crawl until they're like 6 to 9 months old.
She's already a couple months old.
Question 8. What's Chloe's favorite color?
Purple.
Pink.
I would
Green.
say that's a tie because purple and pink are our favorite colors and you both
Pink.
kind of said it at the right time.
Yeah.
Question number 9. What's Chloe's favorite accessory?
Headband.
Ooh,
Oh,
David with
yeah.
another point.
6-3, I'm catching up.
Whatever.
Who changes Chloe's diaper the most?
You.
Question 11. What color are Chloe's eyes?
Blue.
Blue.
We think.
You both got the correct answer, however, Alyssa said it a little faster. Question number 12. What birthmark does Chloe have?
Like, on her forehead.
What's it called?
A stroke bite?
I'll give you both a point because David answered first.
It's also on some of her eyes too.
Oh.
Question number 13. How many teeth does Chloe have?
None.
0.
I see another tie. Score is 10-5.
Yes, I'm half of you. Right now.
Question number 14. What kind of music does Chloe listen to?
Classical. Ow! I knew you wouldn't get it.
I was gonna say rock, but
Or heavy metal?
yeah,
Oh.
like AC/DC. I think, yeah, that's the one she listens to.
Isn't you listen to Backyard Blacks a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Question number 15. Name 3 places Chloe has traveled to.
Arizona.
San Luis
San Luis
Obispo,
Obispo.
Arizona, and
Bullhead City. There's one more. San Diego.
Ah, so close. Alyssa just barely got it.
San Diego doesn't count. That's in California.
So is Arizona.
Good point. We're only kidding. California's not in Arizona.
Obviously. You think they don't know that?
I don't know. But San Luis Obispo is in Arizona.
It's in California.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant.
Question number 16. What kind of car seat does Chloe have?
Bassinet.
What brand is it? It's not a bassinet, but what brand of car seat does she have?
Is
What's
it
it called?
Graco?
Eco?
I'm going to give you guys a hint. It starts with an N.
Luna.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh,
Question 17. What color is Chloe's stroller?
Pink.
David! With
Yes!
2 points in a row.
Get red. I'm catching up. See, pink is her favorite color, not purple.
No.
Question number 18. You guys know the car seat cover Chloe has?
Yeah,
The stretchy one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What design is on that
Disney
car seat cover?
princesses.
Alyssa with
Ariel,
the
Belle,
quick one.
Cinderella. And it's purple. It's light purple.
I'm kind of glad I didn't know the answer to that one.
Question 18 was the last of the regular round. Now we're going to have a quick bonus round with a couple questions, and these are going to go by really fast. How many letters are in Chloe's name?
5.
Ooh,
Oh,
David with the
yes.
win. Next question. What team does Lionel Messi play for?
Portland Timbers.
That's correct.
Yes!
That's not how anything. Ollie,
Oh no.
better run. I'm giving you
What
5.
did I do?
4.
What?
You. So sorry.
David, are you sure he plays for the Portland Timbers?
No, he plays for Paris Saint-Germain.
Scared? Huh?
Okay, the next question, David, is
How'd you
what
know?
team does Mbappe play for?
Paris Saint-Germain?
Whoa.
Oh my god.
What?
Dang.
Why are we asking all these weird? This point shouldn't count because this is not about Chloe.
Yes it is. She's gonna play soccer one day.
The next question is what kind of engine does a Bugatti have?
It's 8-liter W16.
12 cylinder?
That's correct.
Yes.
16 cylinder.
I'm catching up.
He's literally just trying to make you catch up with all these weird questions.
No, he's
I don't
not.
know.
I'm gonna be able to teach these to Chloe one
Sir.
day. Stop pretending to be that teacher named Miss Johnson or something.
Who?
The next question is, what kind of engine does a Mercedes-AMG GT have?
4-liter V8.
That's correct.
Think of all these car questions.
Okay, Alyssa, I bet you'll know the next one.
Doubt it.
What kind of car did your parents buy in 2000?
Silver.
Oh, I love that car.
The last and final question is, how many days per week does Chloe eat?
7.
What?
That's correct.
Yes.
David made a really strong comeback.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I still won the challenge. Leave me a comment and tell me who you think won. Who do you think won?
Me? You, I think you won. You did a great job.
That's right.
I think you only won because you're a girl and Chloe's a
No,
girl.
because.
But she definitely had a slight advantage. I love how shiny it is. Is this a wrap?
Yeah,
Did you get it on the clearance rack at Ross?
Yeah, I did. Well, actually, it's fine. I have another batch.
Perfect.
Well, I hope you guys liked watching my challenge about Chloe today. Well, mostly about Chloe. Whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
You.